If you wish to view a little bit more information about a specific user on your mailing list, we can load their contact card. So first off, we just need to navigate to the user in question. Let's select the mailing list that they live in, and now find our user. Let's have a look at Ted. If we click on Ted's row, his contact card will now be loaded. We can see at the very top left what mailing list he is subscribed to. If we click on this mailing list, we're given the option to move him to a new mailing list. Clicking on the trash can up here will give us the option to delete Ted and also add him to our suppression list. But the main body of the contact card will show all the associated contact details and analytics data that you hold on him. If he subscribes to the Gravatar service, his Gravatar icon will be shown here. Here's his contact name and also his company name. His star rating here gives you an indication of how much he interacts with your mailers. If he regularly reads your mailers and interacts with them, this will impact his star rating. So in this case, Ted is given 3 stars, which is the highest rating, because we can see here that he's regularly interacting with your campaigns. Someone who doesn't always read your emails may be given a lower star rating. And we can also see he's classed as active. This means he's a live subscriber, so when you next send a campaign to this list, he will be included on the distribution. We can see down here are his contact details, so his email address, mobile number, and attached ref. The next section provides a little bit more information on Ted. So you can see here that his estimated location is in the United Kingdom. This is based upon his IP when he's reading and interacting with your emails. His favourite device is a desktop computer to read your emails on, as opposed to a mobile phone or tablet, and he most often reads your emails in Microsoft Outlook. We can see here his last interaction with one of your campaigns was 9 days ago. In total, he's read 3 of your emails and clicked on links in 2 of them. If you've attached tags to Ted, the tags that you've attached to him will be shown here. In this case, we can see that there are no attached tags. The right-hand side focuses on his analytics summary. So you can see here, Ted is a really good subscriber. He's reading 100% of our emails, as the open rate is reading 100%. The click rate is 67%. So he's still clicking on a lot of web links inside the campaigns that you're sending him. And we can see here we have the activity feed. This provides a quick feed of Ted's recent interactions with your campaigns. So you can see here, 9 days ago, he read an email, then clicked on a link. 3 days ago, he read another email. And also today, he read one of your campaigns and clicked on a link. If you need to amend any contact information associated with one of your users, we just need to click on the Edit section. For example, if we wanted to change his name, we can click on Edit. We can key in our new information and hit Update. If you wanted to remove Ted from future mailings, you can change his status. If you tag him as inactive, he will no longer be included on your future mailings. You can also tag him as an unsubscribed user. This is perfect if Ted has manually contacted you and asked to be unsubscribed from your future mailings, or a bounced user. This may be the case that you find out Ted is no longer working for this company, so his mailbox no longer exists. When the software receives an unsubscribe request, it will automatically tag a user as being unsubscribed, or if it detects an email as bouncing, it will automatically tag this user as being bounced. But from this menu here, you have control to override it. If you wish to amend his contact details, again, we have the edit button here. So it's just a case of keying in his updated details, then clicking update. You're also given the option to export his contact card. If you click on export here, we can provide a full CSV report of Ted's contact card. By default, everything is selected. So the software will export all the information that you hold on him. This is perfect if Ted is requesting a copy of the information that you hold on him, and by law you're required to give this under GDPR. But if you don't want to export all the information that you hold on him, for example, maybe we don't wish to export tags or his analytics or summary feed, which we wish to export data for, then click on download. This will now generate a CSV report that we can download and open on our computer. You can use the arrows up here to navigate through other users on this mailing list. For example, if we click the arrow here, we can view the contact card of the next user. So we can see this user has unsubscribed from one of our emails. When you're finished navigating through your contacts, you can click on the close button here to return to the mailing list screen.